ball end on my throttle cable fits perfectly in there, so I won't have to modify this bracket at all. Forgot to record. I got my new throttle linkage bracket. Got the return spring on. Sorry, it's really windy. Just got to get the piece down to here set up. Pedal is back in. I got it back in. I just got the cable off. I got the sheeting all ran. It's got some movement in it. Hopefully it's enough. Just gotta put the cable in here and see if it works. Trailer I got. Show you more once we get home. Still on the highway. It's windy out.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
I got the trailer home. That was yesterday. Cleaned out all my kids' stuff and my stuff, and then we just hung out in the night, and it rained most of today. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon.